Nice shirt. No. You gotta wear a shirt. Randy doesn't wear a shirt.
I don't have to wear anything, Mom.
Oh, come on. There you go. Shirt's almost too small for you. Big muscly baby.
He likes his real tight black shirts.
I don't have any skinny jeans for you. I'm sorry. Look at that.
So handsome. With the youthful angst. How's that?
Now we're happy.
Yay! Rupert. Rupert. Oh, good one.
Don't barf on your new shirt.
All right.